Maneuver.
We're not even gonna.
I would like to use this parked car's front of you and drive off, stop side by side and reverse back for the parallel parking, please. Make sure reverse back within 2 cars length from that car, please. Okay, do you understand my instructions?
Yes, you want me to go and parallel park with this car?
With this car, please.
Yeah,
whenever it's safe to do so, please.
That's fine. There's no one coming, so we're good. Right, so there is some cyclists coming. However, they are quite far away and I don't think they are going to be affected us at the moment. Right, okay. So that's what we need to readjust. Oh, right, so there's a car coming down now, so I can't just come out just at the moment. So I have hit the curb, which means I've misjudged it. That just means I need to come out a little bit and then give it another try. Okay. Oh, there is a car coming. They flashed us to show that we can be right. So we have mounted the curb, which is a massive problem. Right, there's a van coming. We're not doing too great here. Not even in the right gear.
It's okay, just carry on driving now, please. Whenever safe, just drive off, please, for me.
Okay. I'm very glad you said that.
Maneuver.
We're not even gonna.
Well, basically, I try to give you more chances.
Yeah.
The way you mounted the curb, do you think is I'm gonna give you more chances, or they just say to you, nope, just carry on driving, please?
No, they'd say no.
I was trying to help you, see if you can do this 1 time, 2nd time, 3rd time, and I had it. Now I said, no, that's fine. You don't get more than twice. I mean, if once you hit the curb the way you did it 1st time, examiner will say to you, thank you very much, just carry on driving. They will not give you any more chances. If you graze the curb a little bit, you're fine. They would say, okay, let's have a chance. But yeah, but one more thing. You mentioned there was a cyclist and you said they're quite far away. So when you're doing the maneuvers, what 2 things examiner are testing on you? Any idea?
Safety.
Observations, yes. And
ability.
Controlling of your car. So if you knew there was a risk coming behind, because when we are side by side to that parked cars, are we on their road or they are on our road? Think about it. So we are maneuvering, we are reversing, isn't it? So if somebody come behind you or from the front of you and they're quite close by, what would examiner expect you to do?
Stop.
Did you stop for the cyclist who just went past from there?
No.
No. We need to stop, because if you don't stop, what may have happened?
They could have gone into the side of me.
Yeah. So it's your responsibility to stop if something is risky. So that again is could be danger for really, okay?